true when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
Away, from the block. This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the fed around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. All it take is one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Gang, what time? We back. So, what's going on? As you see, we use the tape. Shit, I got tape on them. The way this tape work, I like this shit. Because, like, this is just a strip that the tape still on. And, it's, like I said, it's front and back. And you put the tape on and you take it off. So, what I end up doing, you can't wrap the tape all the way around the fucking rim and the fucking that shit of the band. You can't do that because you got that wheel lock in there though. So with that wheel lock being in there, you can't block that wheel lock. That's the thing, you can't too much cover that wheel lock up. But the band gotta be over that wheel lock. So, but with that shit is so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit around the whole tire. So I'm just show y'all like what's the outcome of it. So hear me out. Here go the tire. Here go the rim. It might look a little country, but this what's going on. Up under this tape, I mean not tape, but the plastic is the tape. I can really take this shit off and you won't even see this shit. Like, but I put this on top of the tape. I put like 3 layers up under that shit. Like not even 3 layers, like 1 layer, but where the cut at is like 3-4 layers over there. So I ran a big layer on top of that after everything. But I had them put the white paper on top of it because, like I say, it's sticky on both sides. So once I put that in, the new inner tube in, it's gonna stick. But now it's not gonna stick because it would have stick if I wouldn't have put this on there. Like now I'm touching it, it's not sticky. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not sticky at all. But if I take this white part out, it'll be sticky. But it's not gonna come off. Like it's made for that shit. Like it come in the thing like that. So now everything good. It's just to protect the bands and protect the spokes and everything, you know what I'm saying? So if anybody wanna know about that, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, I can give you tips on it or whatever. You don't wanna make it too thick or none of that shit like that. And like I say, I can't even find what the fucking other piece said. Oh yeah, and here go the Western McCollet part. Like I said, you don't wanna put nothing over that. But I got a little bit of it on top of it, and you see like I can take it off and it gets sticky. So what I'm gonna do is put this on top of it, cause it ain't gonna move once you get inside the rim. I might just take that shit off. I'm gonna just see if I can take it off, or if I can. Shit, I don't know. No, I don't know. But in the meantime, fuck it. I'm gonna just get another piece, a piece that's not dirty, and try to put on it and see what happens. And it's still coming up because I touched it too much. Oh no, I guess that's the wrong side. Hold on, let's try this side. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just gonna cut this shit right here. Like, flip it so I can cut it. At least, I don't know. Hey man, but look, let me get back with y'all, man. We just gonna take that little tape off of the top part of it. I got this little blunt in my hand. And we're gonna put the wig back on. Yeah. Gang, we back. Okay, now, got the inner tube. We're gonna put the inner tube in that motherfucker. And then we're gonna get back with y'all. Yes, man, I had to get the air pump and shit ready for the way I do it. Oh shit. The way I do it, I put the inner tube in the wheel first. And then I put a little air in it, then I put down the rim. And here goes the inner tube. And the inner tube we got is a 110, I believe. 110, yep. 9019. Ping, ping, ping. We in the dope. So in the meantime, try to say I like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. I don't wanna drink, ooh. Be with I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Riggles and Glock. Make your head drop. Yeah. I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Riggles and Glock. Make your head drop. Yeah. I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Riggles and Glock. Make your head drop. Yeah. I shoot up your mama house. Can you why you picking up the kids at the bus stop? These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches they loving me. VVA bust down. Shoot up broad daylight. Leave a nigga red at the motherfucking red light. Pop that shit, little nigga. I come spin your block, make your head go night. I'm talking to the back street. Finna struck these niggas for everything. I put them on the front street and we smoke up like some Mary Jane. I keep exotic smoke around me. All my shooters stay around me. Come chop your shit up, no karate. Run through your truck, we dropping body. Put it to your front door. Not we on the fuck shit. Got 100 round drum, wanna test it. I done pop me a bean, I done pull me a 4. Ain't fuck that shit, what the fuck shit. Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Riggles and Glock. Make your head drop. Yeah. I don't run Draco. I don't run Glock. Shoot when I say so. Shoot it up. Down the boiler. Get your head pop. Riggles and Glock. Make your head drop. Yeah. I'm blowing big clouds. Draco blowing big smoke. Start asking all these fucking questions. It's a kick, though. 2, 3 in the scat pack. 100 shot 5 out scat pack. I go with a stick in the backpack. She ain't my bitch, she a net. You don't wanna get shot, get the fuck back. Talking about a lick, you can bet that. Pull it to a spot, we gon' cook up a plan, we gon' slide on the move, we gon' bust that down the middle. Jump that low, then get it in and bust it down the middle. Put that beam on his stomach, get bustin' down the middle. Down that Portland, nigga. Your head been not jump off. We gon' get busted, nigga. We gon' get knocked the fuck off. No say I ain't one you, nigga. My little nigga stop it, nigga. My little nigga robbing that piping and dropping that.
I probably wouldn't know what the fuck I was doing when I was just looking at the tie like that and shit when I was talking about the stem. So the stem, give me out. Get the stem. Right. You want to put the stem in a little bit, and you remember I tell you about the boat. So you want to take it out first time, then as soon as you put the tube in the tie, you know what I'm saying, you got to make sure you get the tone right before you show you about that in a minute. But you want to make sure you get that stem in the rim, get that shit lined up the right way, you know what I'm saying? And then you want to, you know what I'm saying, do shit like that. But whatever, so you want to be able to have that plate, you know what I'm saying? You got to have that plate in it. You see the tie knot on the rim yet, but I'm going to show y'all one of my tips that I do, which is this open water. Boom. So I do this open water. I just really pour it around that motherfucker. Normally it be like in a scrape bottle or some shit. Right now I'm just on, you know how I told y'all I ain't did this shit in a minute. So I really don't like carry this type of shit around no more. So you wanna get that shit all the way around the rim. I mean rim and the tie really, you ain't really stunning the rim. So all that shit be dry. You know what I'm saying? So I'm putting bottle on. And I said I'm gonna push this shit in there and I'm gonna get back with y'all in just a minute because the camera finna die. We got a few more minutes to record. So in the meantime, we're trying to tell y'all, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Hey gang, we finally got action. That tie beat my ass, y'all. It was so many mosquitoes, but I used my little technique. Y'all see why you tie iron and use the water, waste a little bit. But now what we doing, we put air in the tie to pop it on the bead. And the way you know you got it on the bead, you see this shit, this line right here? You want this line to come all the way out around the whole tire. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be scared and they'll wait. Hold on, let me cut this out. Niggas be scared to overfill the tire. Like, see, now I'm finished with the tire. Only thing I gotta do is put air in it. Make sure I ain't really pinch that, no pinch the inner tube or no shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So, hopefully I didn't. I don't know. This is the moment of truth, y'all. So, what I'm doing for the pump this motherfucker up and let the bit pop on the bead. The bead normally be like this line right here. You want that line to come out even all the way around. See, like right here, it's not even on both sides. So this is what's going on. And let me, that's probably why it ain't pumping up. So we're gonna put that right. Well, I don't really set it too tight, y'all. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro, when I was just over there, it was so many mosquitoes fucking me up. Like, man, shit, when they make no goddamn sense. I know I'm gonna be itchy when I get in the house. But yeah, so let's see. Moment of truth. Let's hit this motherfucker. How much PSI we got? 0.
it's so many already, y'all. So it's a big pack, so and attitude. We'll get back with y'all. Let y'all know. We'll clean up a little bit. And then we'll get ready to go to Rock House and put this shit on. Once we see the bees pop up. They got early line for sure. Yeah, we're gonna see like right. You see this line, y'all? The line. See? Now this line, it's got really go around the whole place. And then it goes inside the rim. Yeah, it's like way out here, y'all. Way out here. You want that line to look just like this around the whole time. This shit is gonna eventually come out. You see how it's blowing bubble for it to spit out? It's spitting all the water out that's inside the top because it actually blowing the top up to its limit. See what I'm saying? And then once it get like that, you let some out that motherfucker. But we're gonna talk about this later on. I know y'all in a minute once we pump this bitch up. I know y'all can't get me. But it don't take long. As you see, it's coming out. Look, see? That's my finger. Oh, it's coming out. You see what I'm saying? Water just dripping out that motherfucker. So boom. See that's how we got. We on 4 PSI right now. So at the end of the day, right now, like we ain't gotta worry about no leak. I mean, I ain't gonna say worry about no leak. How I do it, as you see, the motherfucker at 4 PSI, it ain't went down. And let me tell you what I'm gonna do. See now, so that's gonna come out cause I'm moving too slow. Oh nah, it's good. So boom, I'm gonna tell y'all what I do now. Alright, so basically what I do now, I look at both sides of the tire. Like I was telling y'all about the little line earlier. The line is out on both sides. So if somebody change y'all tire and that your tire a little uneven and wobbling, that's why. You know, cause a lot of people scared to overfill the tire. You feel me? So boom. You know what I'm saying? So boom, the line all the way out on both sides. Then guess what I'm gonna do after that? I'm gonna push on it and see it ain't flat enough. So boom, I ain't got no leak. So now what I do, I'm gonna see if I can put the camera down somewhere. I'm gonna put it like right here. No, yo, y'all can see a little bit. So check me out. Hear me out. That's what I'm doing. I get the tire. If I had a helmet like a mallet, I can hit the side of it, but I really ain't gotta do that. So I get the tire and I bounce it up and down and I spin it. I spin it. I'm spinning this motherfucker. Dribble that bitch. That's what we're gonna say. We're gonna bounce. You gonna dribble that bitch and spin at the same time. So boom, there y'all go. Y'all got it. Boom. That's what y'all want to do. Alright, boom. So y'all see that shit. Now I'm gonna come back to it and I look at it. You feel me? Like I look at the edges of the tire. And I make sure that everything right. I make sure they even on both sides. You feel me? I make sure they even on both sides. You know. And as you see, like they on the beads. Like they are officially popped on the bead. Like, and guess what? If I feel like they not, I can add a little more. Yeah. Feel me? And this motherfucker, this bitch solid, like it's solid. So, but I'm gonna add like a touch more to it, due to the fact like I want that motherfucker to lock on solid tight. And we're gonna catch a flight to goddamn Rock Perry House and put this tire on. And for those that want to know what size tire this is, this size tire is a, oh, I'm tripping. I'm like, what the fuck it is? Did the stand fuck up? Nah, it wasn't the stand, y'all. It's me because I'm putting the thing, y'all. Shoot when I say so, shoot it up, shoot it up.
this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga, throw them down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimping bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the fed around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bustin'